Hey guys, so I have a 09 175 Yamaha HPDI VMAX. We're going to change the lower unit oil today. So I went to Academy, I got the Quicksilver brand lower unit oil and gear loop pump with the added attachment to fit the Yamaha motors. I think standard is for the Mercury. Alright, so what we have here is our bottom plug and our top plug. I trimmed up the motor so the top plug is directly above the bottom plug, and now we're going to take out this bottom plug first and then we'll take out the top plug. Bottom plug's out. Take out the top plug, let some air in there. And let it all drain out. We've attached our pump into the bottom plug. We've got our pump going into our oil. So now we're going to fill it from the bottom until it starts coming out of our top opening. So start pumping. Now coming out of the top, we want to see just oil. We want to keep pumping it until there's no bubbles coming out.